Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by removing any case and screen protector. Clean the glass with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl to reveal flaws. Once done, inspect edges and corners under bright light because most failures begin there. Measure any visible chips with a ruler so you know baseline damage. Make sure to place a 1M drop test mat or thick towel nearby. You will simulate impacts next. These first steps let you characterize strength versus existing defects before applying repeatable tests. Now you run controlled impacts to assess toughness and fracture behavior. Drop the device from 1 meter twice flat on a soft but firm surface, then repeat oriented to a corner, because corners concentrate stress and reveal weakness. Once those macro tests are done, apply a small steel ball or blunt tool to the glass edges to test local chip propagation. This shows how cracks start and spread. Make sure to photograph and log angle, surface, and each visible change so you can compare results objectively. You conclude by interpreting damage patterns against your baseline measurements to estimate ceramic shield strength. Note at which energy or orientation cracks began because that defines practical limits. If you spot micro cracks or delamination, stop further testing and plan for professional glass replacement since stress will worsen. If results are unclear, carefully increase drop height by 1/4 meter increments while monitoring. Make sure to protect internal components and prioritize safety. One troubleshooting tip: persistent edge chipping often means hidden substrate damage requiring expert inspection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.